Everyone, so welcome back to my September challenge, which means each and every single day of this month, September, I'm actually going to post a video for the whole of this September. And this video is going to purposely talk about how you can make money online. So if you're into Adsterra, money tag, hit up art, propeller art, or any way of making money, this particular month is for you. I'm actually going to post all videos about how you can make money, any way of making money on YouTube. So the first thing you need to do here, just go to this particular YouTube channel you're watching the video, which is Mr. Henry, or this video watching the video on. Just go ahead and click on the subscription button to subscribe to my channel here, which is Mr. Henry. Go ahead and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop such an amazing videos about how you can make money online. Like this particular video and also leave a nice comment as this video actually proceeds. So in this particular video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can earn higher traffics using either money tag, Adsterra, propeller ad, hit up or any way of getting a higher traffic or higher source of traffic for your work, your blog, or whatever you do on the internet. So, provided you need a source of traffic, this video is basically going to help you in every dimension you need to know. All right. So, the first thing you need to do here, just subscribe and let's keep on moving. Now, this is a fact that I'm going to show you guys if you're into Adsterra most of the time. So, you see, today happens to be 1st of September. So, this is actually trying to tell you that if an advertiser or a publisher and you want to publish your social or adult traffic or whatever, this year is actually going to help you. So, today happens to be 1st September, which means 1st to 7th of this month, which is September. We are actually going to help you, which is Adsterra is actually going to help you to earn a lot of traffic from these countries and how you can do that. All right. So for the adult content, yeah, I'm actually going to talk about Zimbabwe and the corresponding device you used to use. So if I use an Android and you want to target Zimbabwe traffic, you can use your Android phone to do that or your Android device. So with the US for the adult content, you have the Android, iOS, Windows, and MacBook. So if you're using any of these devices and you want an adult content or you want to publish an adult content or get a source of traffic from US, you can use the adult content format by using these devices to gain your source of traffic. So with the Australia, if you want to use if you're using Android and iOS, which is an iPhone or any iPhone product or Apple's products, you can target Australia and then you can get good source of traffic whilst using the adult content. So if you don't want the adult formats of publishing your work and you want the non-adult, which is the mainstream, you can also go through this list and then get to know. But everything you have to know will be sent into my WhatsApp group. So go ahead and check under the description of this particular video and join the WhatsApp group out there. All right, tap on the link out there, join the WhatsApp group, and I'm going to post this whole thing out here. So which means every 7 days I'll be posting the device you need to use and where you're going to get that type of traffics from, either an adult content or non-adult content, basically if you're using Adsterra. So this way is going to be made for Adsterra. All right, so I'm going to show you one simple thing that people have been underestimating, because a lot of people are not be using this traffic source, and this traffic source is actually going to help you. So I'll take you through how you can navigate through it, how you can go ahead and just make good inquiries to get these targeted people from these countries using a particular device or any iOS, Android, or MacBook device you want to use out there. All right. So the first you're gonna target is what you call the Google trend. All right. So how many of you guys have been using the Google trend? Almost everything on a social media platform goes through Google, and we all know that. So if you're on YouTube and you want to search something on YouTube, you type it in Google. Google can help you with that. If you want something from TikTok and you type it in Google, Google can help you with that. That of Telegram, that of Facebook, that of Instagram, Snapchat, and many more. So which means Google Trend is a higher tracker which provides an estimate of weekly GDS based on what is trending in the whole world, right? So what you're gonna do is just click on the Google Trend, and it's gonna open something like this for you. So my current update right now, or my current location here is in Ghana. All right. So come to this session here. So my current location here, it is in Ghana. So currently today happens to be 1st September. One of Ghanaian's TikToker has passed away, which is Osanju. So you recently saw it out there. So let me try to refresh it, and you get to see the name here, all right? So which means that Osanju has passed away. So which is a trending issues in Ghana, which means that if you want to post something about Osanju currently in Ghana, you might get a lot of viewers, or you might get a lot of traffic to react with whatever you're posting on the social media platform. All right. So this is actually going to help you to know the type of your nature you want to post on the social media. So if you're into beauty, if you're into fashion, if you're into entertainment, news, finances, or anything, this Google trend is actually going to help you know the type of topic you need to publish it out there, so people can get react to your topic and then make good use of it. All right. So let's say you want a tier one country traffics. All right. So what you need to do is just go to this session here and just scroll down till you to any country you prefer. So let's say for the sake of this, then I want to target United States. All right, so I'll be using the non-add-on, which is the mainstream. So I'll be targeting United States out here. All right, so United States is giving us the advantage, or the yes, the advantage of using an Android, iOS, and MacBook or Windows as well. All right, so what you need to do is just go to your Google Trends. All right, let's go to Google Trends here. All right, and then let's say I want to target United States. Come to this session here, and make sure to locate United States. All right, so this is United States. All right, so which is United States. Currently, I'm at United States. So some of the issues trending on the United States is the Labor Day, which means it's they might be celebrating a Labor Day, or it might be ongoing, or it can be on tomorrow. All right. So what you need to do is to come to this section which says explore. All right. So click on the explore, and it's gonna tell you everything you need to know here. Now here are some few topics currently trending in 2025. Right. So the upcoming 2026, which are some of the issues which might be trending as well, are listed up here. So come to this aspect which says rising, and click on top. All right. So once you click on top, it's gonna show you some categories of topics which are trending out here. Right out, you can come to this aspect which says past 12 months, and then select it to let's say past 30 days. So for the past 30 days, what have been consistently trending at the United States is the Home Depot, US Open, Costock, and many other, the Labor Day holiday, and many more. Right. So once you just scroll through, you can get to know now what are your categories. So let's say you are into art and entertainment, you are into autos and vehicles, beauty and fitness, books and literature, and many more. So let's say for the sake of this particular video, we are into finance, all right? So let's click on finance and get to know what are some of the trending issues. So you can check by using the statistics here, all right? So yes, you can check by using the statistics graph here. So for the past 30 days, these are the graph of finance charts in the whole world, or in the United States. For the sake of you wanting a traffics on United States, you can go ahead and choose a particular topic for yourself out here. All right. So once you come to this session, you say trending topics. So for the whole of August, which is a month in 30 days, you can click on it to verify what some of the topics going out there. All right. So just come to the top here. Let me say click on top. So the insurance has been a topic at United States, which means people are talking about insurance, stocks, which is basically about stocks markets, right? It's how you can make your tradings with the stock market and earn some profits. It's been ongoing at United States, of which you can click on explore. So banks, which is a building function. So any of these you prefer, just click on it. But you have to also check the ratings of it. So this one is at 100% rates, 78%, 74, 73, 54, which means that the higher the ratings, the higher the topic is trending out there. All right. So you can go ahead and search a particular topic too at this session here. All right. Now, in case you don't want this way of getting to know what is trending in a particular country, you can go to the trending now, and then you get to find out, you'll find out what is trending now, which is the past 24 hours, what is trending here. So for the past 24 hours at United States, what is trending here is the Labor Day, which is about 2 million search volume, which people have been talking about Labor Day for the past 24 hours. So about 2 million people have been talking or searching or just interacting about Labor Day in United States. All right. So it started about 19 hours ago. And what people are asking is, what is Labor Day? So you can just write something about a Labor Day and publish it in any of your social media platforms. Then you can automatically have some engagement, provided your targeted audience are ready to react at United States. All right. So in that way, we might get some cool traffic out there. So let's say you might not be in United States. So if you're in, let's say, Nigeria, all right. So let's say you are in Nigeria, all right, and you want to talk about something in Nigeria. So currently, what is trending much about Nigeria is about the Inter Miami versus the Sounders. All right, I think it's a football game. So if you want to take a type of category, just come here. And let's say I want to choose entertainment. All right. So what is currently trending about? What is currently trending at Nigeria within the 24 hours is about Asaki, a musician, blah blah blah. All right. So you can search about that. All right. Let's say you are also in India and you want a traffic from India. All right. So let's say you want a traffic from India. Let's say something related to let's say let's talk about politics. All right. So this is what our training puts in. Some of these jack deep what of that, so we can see out here. All right. So these are some of the current trending issues within the 24 hours. All right. So let's talk about beauty and business. So the good price today and many more. So it's for you to just come to this session here and just search through to choose a particular topic. Now, once you have it, just give it a single click, and then you get to know how the graph is looking and some of the related topics people are talking about it. All right. So this is about 5 hours ago. This is about 12 hours ago, 3 hours ago. So you can write something about anything which is trending or where you want it to trend. So depending on what you need, depending on what you need from or what you are thinking about these advertising traffics or how you want your social traffics to be advertised on the country. All right. So you can write something to Germany, Netherlands, Cote d'Ivoire, everywhere. So this particular week, which is from 1st to 7th September of this month, all these countries are giving good traffics. Yes, all these countries are good giving good traffics. So this can help you in so many ways to gain a lot of traffics to your money tag, to your Adsterra, to your propeller, to any other advertising networks out there. So I'll come here to show you different video about how you can use this mainly inside your Adsterra account. So if you create an Adsterra using an advertiser format, you can use this very, very well. But if you're using a publisher account, you might use it very well, but you might kind of have it some difficulties with it. So I'll show you my next video how you can basically do that. So just go through this and start promoting your blogs, start sharing some information to these countries by going through the necessary procedure you need to have or you need to go through, and then you're good to go. All right. So just stay tuned and watch me in my next video. Just as I said, this month I'm posting videos each and every single day for you. So just stay relevant to this particular YouTube channel. Just subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you very much for watching. Join the WhatsApp group, and I hope to see you in my next video.